See that over there? That's mine. It's my baby. But I ain't cutting her loose tonight. Why not? Nah, it's because I'm going legit, homie. I'm trying to get up the Naira circuit. Heard about that?
Ah, hell yeah.
Yeah. So what? What's up with you, man?
I'm just waiting for Toretto.
What's up, guys? Chris Honda here. I got another great video for you for the fanboy racers. We have an FD RX-7. I don't know if you guys remember my friend Russ. He used to own that 3000 GT with the Victory Wing, and he has now got a new project car, which is the Silver FD. Very beautiful car. Let's just focus in on that. And Russ is gonna tell us about the car, and we're gonna do it before and after because it's ready to go for paint soon. So Russ, tell me about the car. What year, what's done to it, what's gonna get done to it?
So it's a 92 Type R. Obviously in America 92 was the first year, so this was the first year in Japan.
Oh wow, first year.
Big changes coming here soon.
Big changes coming soon, and then
Yeah, we've had it a few months, but we're trying to get the video done before we go too crazy.
right, and then you did tell me you got front and rear bumper caps. Is it going to be the same one?
It is just not broken.
Just not broken. I love this. I really like this part right here where the fog lights are, man. It's so JDM.
This is like we actually built this car in Japan.
Wow, really?
Yeah, so if you ever watch Best Motoring.
So all the stuff that you're getting now is all original feed as well?
Correct.
Oh my God! And may I ask, was that expensive and hard to get?
You just you can get it through our website actually. It takes a while.
Takes a while. Okay, it's directly shipped from Japan, right?
Correct.
Okay, so all the feed stuff, guys. This car is gonna look insane. He's already got the advans on there, which is like my favorite.
The brakes are for the Spirit R.
Ooh, very nice. Spirit R. Look at that red freaking calipers from the Mazda. This is a sweet, beautiful car, man. And when exactly are we going to get this painted?
So it's a Toyota color. I think it's called 1G. I can't remember the last number now. But it's a really dark gray. And I plan on doing the whole feed livery on it. So eventually, that's my plan.
Oh, we're going to do a Feed Liberty kit?
No, the livery, like the
Oh,
whole
the livery.
design.
Oh, okay.
So
We're not
it's
going
the-
wide body on it or
The
anything.
fenders are the rear. So this is gonna be the same. And the front's the same, but I have rear now also.
Oh, okay. That's going to be insane. I can't wait to see that.
So the rear is gonna have a cutout like this too.
Oh, and it's going to have the cutout.
Yeah.
I love that, man. It shows the tire.
Right.
Real sexy looking for the car. It's like the lady showing a little leg, you know what I mean? Really sick car. And then when we get all the stuff done, are we like this going to be down for quite a few, or is it going in there next month? What is it
I'm
going?
not sure because I'm having different shops do different things. So,
Okay.
When I swap the turbo, I'm going to go single turbo here soon too. This has 99 turbos on it now,
Okay.
and the oil seal is going bad on them, so I'm a little bit slow. So I'm gonna, like I said, go single turbo. I just started ordering parts for that, so that's probably what's going to be down the longest, I think.
I see.
Actual bodywork stuff shouldn't take that long. I'll probably drive around with them on, different colors for a little bit.
For a little bit, showing it's under construction.
Right.
Nice.
And like the rears are bolt on, kind of like Liberty Lock and such. And I'm gonna get them all molded, so it's not
Ooh,
bolted.
so you won't see it, the bolts and everything.
Correct.
That's gonna be mean. Woo! And shout out to the guy that's doing your paint. And who's the guy?
It's called ABC Auto Body.
ABC Auto Body. Shout out to you guys. And
then-
also shout out to Team Densetsu. This is their meat?
The different wing coming, so I'm gonna get rid of this.
Oh, different wing.
Yeah, because the feed wing is like way taller. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get a Mazda wing so I can switch them out.
Ooh. No more victory wing with the adjustable?
I don't know if it would fit on here because you need that box underneath it.
I don't know if you want to do that as well, as because you want to keep it period correct.
I want to keep it off feed.
Nice. Feed. Look at the inside of here. I love how tight this cockpit is. Oh, nice double din. Hey, the seats are nice. Woo! Period correct. HKS.
Yep.
Very sick. Oh, look, tiny little battery. I didn't know that battery was really smaller.
Yeah, looks good.
Catch can over there. Very nice, man. So Mr. Russ is showing us everything that he has on this car. This should be done up in the next couple of months, maybe 3 months, hopefully sooner.
We'll see.
We'll see. Well, Russ, thank you. I appreciate the time. I'm going to go take some pictures for your car and drop it in the video. Only in Chris Honda's channel, guys. Giving you guys the best bitch cars.